Okay, so I have this Liftmaster gate which has been having problem with opening and closing. I suspect the battery is dead, so I'm going to attempt to replace the battery. So I need to open this unit up. There are 4 screws here, 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 and here. So I already unscrewed it, and when you open it, you can see the inside like this. The battery is behind here. Those are the 2 batteries which I will replace. First, I'm going to unplug the AC so I won't get electrocuted. I'm plugging this. The 4 screws are here, this one, down here, this one, over here, this one, and over here, this one. Okay, so once you remove those 4 screws, you can lift this like this, and then you can see there's 2 batteries right there. I have bought new batteries, standard, 2 of these standard batteries to replace them. Standard 12 volt 7 amp hour unit. This is the old battery, and it was 2015, so it's pretty old. Okay, once you have replaced the battery, you can plug that back in, and make sure when you wire up the battery, take a picture of how the 2 batteries are wired together. The positive on the top one, the negative on the top one goes to the positive of the second one, so it's wired up in series, not in parallel. So if you put the black together, that won't work. I tried that, and I have to set it up like this. Now I can put the board back in and reset the opening and close. I have to try a few times to re-engage the arm to get the 32 code and 33 code to go away, and then you can move the gate, set the open limit, and then test the open and close. So that's how you replace the battery on an LA400 unit. Okay, once you correctly set the open and close, test it, put the 4 screws back, and now you're done. Test the remote control and close it up, and screw this back on, and you're done.